Hey, it's your girl Jay Slay, and I am back with another video. Today I will be doing some lowlights and highlights in this Brazilian body wave hair. So let's get started. Y'all, I got on my bleaching shirt, so y'all know what that means. Put on some shorts and some shirts that you don't care about because you will be bleaching and dyeing. I have this 40 volume developer, 20 volume developer, a mixing bowl, black gloves, Shimmer Lights blonde and silver shampoo. You'll also need at least 3 application brushes because you'll be using bleach in 2 different colors for this. You'll also need aluminum foil sheets, and you'll need a variety of clips, and lastly, your bleaching powder. Oh, and I almost forgot to give y'all the lowlights and highlights. So I'm using Revlon Color Silk in the color light golden brown, and I'm also using Revlon Color Silk in the color brown black. Alright, so first things first, we're going to mix the bleaching powder. I did 3 scoops of the bleaching powder, and I mixed it with the 20 volume developer because I don't want it to take super quickly. I just want to take up the color just a tad so I can, go in and put in my lowlights and highlights. And I'm going to come back with the 40 volume developer and put in the highlights that I like in the front and in the back. So what you see me doing here is taking my application brush, and I'm taking a portion of that hair, just about that much that I showed you, and I'm going to take that application brush and do like an up and down motion in between the hair to split it up. And that's how we're going to create the lowlights and highlights. So when I pull it apart, one portion of the hair will be taken up with 40 volume developer. So I did use 3 scoops, and I mixed the $40 child, 40 volume developer into that, and I'm gonna put the aluminum foil over it so it can bake, honey. So I'm just gonna continue to do this in the front because I really want those highlights to be present for sure in the front. So that's why I'm using my 40 volume developer in the front. So only use your $40. I keep saying $40, child. I must want $40.
You fucking money.
And
only use your 40 volume developer for the very blonde highlights. Okay, so I'm just gonna continue this, taking that application brush up and down, splitting it apart, and putting in my really good blonde highlights in the front, honey. So I have made my way to the back side, and I'm just gonna continue doing that all the way around where I want those highlights to be. Now I am gonna come back and put in the Revlon lowlights and highlights, so just stay tuned. I just wanted to say, as you guys can see, I'm not taking that developer all the way up because I do want my roots to still be dark, so that's what you see me doing there. All right, now for the lowlights and highlights. Of course, Revlon Color Silk in the color light golden brown, and Revlon Color Silk in the color brown black. And I'm gonna use the brown black first and then go back with the light golden brown. And then I'm gonna go in with the 40 volume developer. I put it in an old squeeze bottle, made it easier for me. And I'm gonna just keep doing that in a row. So brown black, then light golden brown, then 40 volume developer. Okay, and we're just gonna keep doing that in a row and just go all the way up to your desired section of hair, but I'm gonna just take it all the way up. So I had already put in my blonde patches up front, so I'm just taking that light golden brown and the brown black to just break up those blonde patches a bit to kind of give it the low light highlight look in the front. So that's what you see me doing here. Now, when it comes to processing your hair like this, I do personally use silicone mix. So I will wash the hair with the Shimmer Highlights Blonde and Silver shampoo, and I'll also mix in a couple of scoops of silicone mix and just let the shimmer shampoo and the silicone mix sit on the hair for about 10 minutes. And then I'll go in and wash it out. So I am done putting in the highlights and the lowlights, and I just want you guys to see what it looks like. It is still wet. I just finished washing it with the silicone mix and the shimmer shampoo, but can you see those highlights? Don't they look really good? But yeah, you'll probably be able to see it a little bit better when it's dry. So this is what that looks like dried, honey. And I did let mine air dry, so I just let it sit overnight. So you can see the lowlights, the highlights in there. You can see those blonde patches I put in the front that I wanted. Get into it, get into it. Ooh, child, now that I'm done, stay tuned for the finished product right now. So this is what it looks like installed. It looks so pretty. I love it, I love it, I love it. The perfect little mix for summer. I do love these lowlights and highlights. Girl, get into it. You better pose, honey. Thank y'all so much for watching. I have finished these highlights. If you love these highlights, please let me know below in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is your girl Jay Slay, and I will be back on more videos. Bye.